Welcome back to a baby doll collection. We are going to be dressing the babies in their PJs and getting them ready for bedtime. Here we have baby Joseph, our most recent baby, and he is going to be wearing this baseball sleeper. Most valuable player number 1, baseball. And it has a little baseball on there. You know, he's in this temporary body right now. This is not the body that he's going to be on. He will be on his perfect body pretty soon, and I will do a video and show him when he gets his new body. But for now, his mommy couldn't wait to have him, so she put him in a temporarily stiff body. It's just a little, yeah, but this is only temporarily. So mommy will be patient and wait until we can get that, get him in his new body. Okay, so that is Joseph. He's all set for bedtime. I have a little pinky for Joseph right here. Oh, this arm keeps going backwards. What are we gonna do with you? You're so cute. You're so cute. A cute new baby. He's so adorable. Hey. Okay, so now we are going to get another baby and get him ready. Here is Scooter. Say hi, Scooter. Say hi, everybody. This is Scooter. And we are going to put his PJs that says Mommy love me. And they are beautiful. It's got a giraffe and a turtle. Giraffe in the feet. Open the zipper. We're gonna get all the boys ready, and then we're gonna get the girls. Get everybody ready. Did I say thank you? I think I forgot to say thank you for your opinion. Your opinion. Thank you. I am glad that you find my voice amusing and funny. I found you funny too, in many ways. Oh, look who we got here. It's our big boy Sunshine. Sunshine. We have this alien pajamas to put on him. So let's do this. He is so big. All you can see is his front. I will have to readjust the camera. So, anyways, we're gonna take everything out and put your socks back on. Have to put your socks back on. Here we go. And we will have to take this sweater off. Here comes the sunshine. Boom. Yeah, that's why we call him Sunshine. Hello. His hair is shiny. Shiny, shining like it's on. Like the sun. What a horrible, 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 horrible hair he's got. But I love him. He's my baby. And he's one of my first ones, you know. Like I said before, I think I said this before. Opinions only have power over you when you agree with them. Right? Only if I agree with it. Other than that, you can't touch this. Can't touch this. Check out Sunshine and his alien PJs. That's the belly plate. I forgot he's got a belly plate. Yeah, this diaper makes him look a little bit before my voice change all the time. I talk with my nose. I talk with my nose most of the time. Maybe because I have sinus problems, but that's okay. I don't want to complain about that. I love the way I talk. I love it. It changed. Sometimes I wake up and my voice is really, really high pitch, and sometimes it's really deep, deep, deep. And I have the ability of changing my voice in many, 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 many ways. Whatever ways I want to. Okay. So yes, I could be funny if I want to be. I can also be a little. Yeah. That was actually a very special video. That was a very good video. I'm glad you watched it. Thank you for the views. Thank you for the views. Look at this. You want to laugh about something? Laugh about this. Wow. It's the belly plate. I gotta remove this belly plate because it needs to be fixed. It definitely needs to be fixed. That is a very real funny thing. Yeah, this thing. She should be laughing about this. This one should be more funny for you, okay? I removed that belly to make him. He kind of have the arms of the dinosaur, so that's why he's gonna be wearing this dinosaur slipper. Should we put up, yeah, I think we should. We should put the onesie back on him. Alex? Nah, it's a very nice and warm night. So all he needs is his dinosaur PJs. He will be fine with just his dinosaur PJs. That's right. Here we go. La da da dee da da. No more silliness. Let's be serious. I don't want to make this video too long. Here we go, Alex. You're all done. Maybe I can find you a binky. We got this one for you. There you go. Let's go. Oh, we have Cheyenne here. And we have to put the PJs on her. She's wearing these white PJs that have kittens all over. And it's raining. Oh, we're gonna listen to some rain and thunder. I love it when it rains and thunder. Do you like rain? I love rain. I love the sound of the rain and the thunder and the smell of the earth. So, listen to the rain. Goodbye.